Significant things have humble beginnings. A young girl was spotted in the boys' hostel, stealthily passing something through a window. The professor of botany and warden of the boys' hostel, who noticed this at first, assumed the worst. Instead, he discovered that a Mauritian girl was passing homemade food to her brother who had jaundice. Stunned by this discovery, the rector decided that something must be done to help the international student community, especially in a country known for its hospitality. Based on the belief that the world is one family, an international students' hostel was started on the 26th of January 1971. It was called Symbiosis, a botanical term meaning living together for mutual benefit. The same rector, Dr. S.B. Mujumdar, became the founder director. Under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Mujumdar, Symbiosis today has blossomed from a small international students' hostel to India's premier university, with about 50 institutions offering around 200 different academic courses to almost 50,000 regular students, including more than 2,000 international students. And Symbiosis realizes that for academic success, good health is imperative.
The Symbiosis Center of Healthcare was established in 1997. Before that, Rajiv and I worked with the Ministry of Health Sultanate of Oman. And while we were working, we realized that there was a lot of emphasis on health education, school healthcare, university and college healthcare activities for students. And we felt that why not bring all this to India? But India was a large country for us to even think of doing anything for. And therefore, we felt that let's do something for the population of Symbiosis.
So the Symbiosis Center of Healthcare has been established on all campuses with the objective of providing healthcare services to the staff and the students and the community at large also. The entire range of healthcare professionals are made available to the students and staff to address their healthcare problems on campus. We also have ultra-modern, state-of-the-art recreation and wellness facilities to provide the much needed respite from the academic rigors. The entire objective is to establish Symbiosis truly as a health promoting university.
Under the umbrella of Preventive Healthcare Services, Symbiosis Center of Healthcare, or SCHC, conducts a health and wellness checkup for students and staff of Symbiosis every year. The objective of this annual wellness checkup is to assess your health, nutrition, fitness, and wellness status. Consultants and specialists from different disciplines such as physician, ophthalmologist, ENT specialist, dentist, and pathologist, as well as a certified wellness professional, conduct your annual wellness checkup. An electronic health record is created and maintained for future reference. The wellness evaluation done at the Recreation and Wellness Center assesses you for strength, stamina, and suppleness by various simple but internationally accepted tests and norms. SCHC also provides curative healthcare services to the students and staff members of the Symbiosis family, such as dental OPD, eye OPD, ENT OPD, physician OPD, and counseling services, including diet, physiotherapy, and mental health. In the unfortunate event that a student needs to be hospitalized, the center provides a unique medical insurance scheme the students can avail medicine, doctor's advice, and hospitalization anywhere in the country.
जब मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ पार्टी से आ रहा था तो ब्लू डायमंड होटल के पास स्कूटर का एक्सीडेंट हो गया.
5th of March in the morning, I received a call that he met with an accident. In between, I received a call from Dr. Rajiv from Symbiosis Center for Healthcare. He said that don't worry, he's sick.
I know that the student has come from Symbiosis. I really don't have to worry. I really don't have to wait for anybody to take the responsibility, and I can do the best of medical treatment for the needy person.
Under the promotive healthcare services, the campus health advisory committees have been constituted at all campuses to look into diverse health aspects of students and to review communication strategies to stakeholders on health matters. SCHC has been organizing health awareness sessions for students of Symbiosis and the community at large to promote health literacy. Helping nurture a healthy mind in a healthy body, the SCHC runs an ultra-modern recreation and wellness center at all campuses of Symbiosis. It includes a gymnasium, an aerobic studio, a yogshala with a meditation hall, and a swimming pool. Designed by doctors, the innovative fitness programs blend the finest of Eastern and Western techniques. SCHC also plays a vital role in inculcating a sense of social responsibility in the students. This is done by way of organizing blood donation drive every year on 31st July across all campuses of Symbiosis in commemoration of the International Students' Day. Similarly, the SCHC is also operational beyond our campuses through initiatives like providing medical aid to the pilgrims of Pandharpur Wari. Annually, close to 2 lakh Varkaris undertake this nearly 3-week-long journey on foot. The SCHC provides medical aid to over 45,000 Pandharpur Varkaris. Under the umbrella of the Symbiosis Community Outreach Program and Extension, the healthcare services are extended to the community at large through the initiatives of the Family Doctor Clinic and Mobile Medical Unit. Initiatives, innovations, and selfless service. These qualities have made SCHC go beyond the role of providing support services. As we say in Symbiosis, a doctor in need is a friend indeed.